one day, and few days later, knock to the door. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning. In the winter, it was full night. So we opened the door with 3 Russian soldiers. And they said, "Oh, take away, get up and get to the lorry." Where? What for? So, mother didn't speak any language. So I said, "Why do we have to go? Where? This is our home." "Oh, you don't worry about that. You get everything, you get home and everything." Where? And you can't imagine. And they said, "Look, take what you can, but you've got only a few minutes.
Well.
So what you can, just put it on and that's it." So what can you do in few minutes time? You couldn't even dress yourself, and especially there were 5 small children. Everybody was completely lost. So anybody can grab tablecloth or bedspread or whatever. If anybody could put something on the feet, that was lucky. And nothing, we've got to live, don't worry, everything, you get everything. So that's how it happened. You can't imagine. We had cows, we had a horse. I never ever in whole my life heard what I heard then and there. The horse, the noise, the cows, and the horse noise. And we had 5 dogs, and the dogs, every one of them, you can't imagine that noise